This is David.
This is Kendra, and we're stranded in Thailand.
It's day 140, and the rest of the world is still closed to Americans. So we've made the decision to stay in Thailand. We're staying.
We're staying. This is a big change for us because our original plan is we sold everything so we could travel the world and country hop for the next 2 years. Well, that plan is no longer possible in this environment. So we were thinking to ourselves, what can we do to still work toward our goals? What can our new plan be so we're not wasting this time? So we decided to go back to school.
Yeah, so we decided to stay in Thailand for the next 6 months. We had options of different types of visas. So we decided that we would go with an education visa. That way we could learn the language, and while we're learning, we could still go around to different provinces, different cities, different beaches, and enjoy what there is to see in Thailand.
So for the education visa, the school prepared all the documents for us. We just had to go to the Krabi Immigration Center to have them processed. It did take about 3 weeks for the documents to get approved, and we just went back and got our passport stamps, so we're good to stay in Thailand another 6 months. And once we got our stamps, we were clear to start our first day of school. So here we are at Thai school. It's our very first day and super excited to finally learn some Thai and hopefully become better conversationalists. We got our handy school bags, our pencils, which they gave us, and our notebooks. So let's go get smarter.
So we love Alongkorn Language School. It's given us a great opportunity to learn the language. We have fantastic teachers. They've worked with expats and travelers from all over the world, and we feel really, really comfortable and very confident in their ability to teach us the language.
Yes, we really think that with 6 months worth of lessons that we can build our confidence so that we'd be able to do, intermediate transactions in Thai instead of English. In addition, since we're going to be staying in Thailand so much longer, we decided to get a new place. So let's give you a little tour of our new place here. This time we got a 2-bedroom place. And this is our new view. So we have a nice mountain view and views of other houses and condos. No more sea view, trying to save money. Our kitchen here, quite spacious. And we have our dining room with lovely artwork. We have a balcony where we can sit out and enjoy the view. And our 2 bedrooms. This one we'll probably won't use. And it has a full bath in the hall. This is our master bedroom because it has an ensuite bathroom. So our new place here is half the cost of our other studio apartment we had. The studio was great because it had a good view, but it was so small. This one is much more spacious, and it's only 15,000 baht a month, whereas the other studio with the view was 30,000 a month. So we're saving half the cost. So we're hoping with all that extra savings that we still will be able to afford to continue the world tour once borders reopen and it's safe to travel again.
Well, it's rainy season now, and it rains multiple times during the day. It's very sporadic. We never know when the rain's gonna come, and I like to go to the beach to run. So when there's a window and it's dry, I'm out running. If not, I have to hit the gym right here at our apartment.
And also, David loves to go out exploring on the motorbike. So we're out just wandering up streets and trying to find different beaches whenever there's a break in the rain. David decided he wanted to go exploring by motorbike today. So we're just randomly driving our motorbike up and down streets and found this little pretty vista with all the nice limestone mountains and beautiful palm trees. It's so picturesque. So this is how we're making lemonade out of the lemons 2020 has given us.
Actually, we're very fortunate to be in Thailand. When things were closing down, we were in Vietnam, and we made a conscious decision to come here. We had been to Thailand before, but we decided to stay in Krabi this time, a province in an area we had never been to. We're very fortunate to be here though, because they had very little incidents with COVID-19. So we feel super safe. The city is basically open. A lot of businesses are opening. Local tourists from different provinces are coming here. The restaurants are open. So we're able to really relax and enjoy ourselves, even though we're going to school and doing some sightseeing ourselves. So we're not in lockdown. We're very fortunate to be here.
Yes, agreed. So since the 8-week lockdown here in Thailand, there haven't been any more community transmissions of COVID-19. The only new cases that they have are from Thai people coming back, being repatriated into the country from their foreign travels. And they catch all the new cases in the 14-day state quarantine facility. So none of the new cases get into the community, and that's how the country so far has stayed COVID-19 free. So we felt comfortable going to the different islands and just enjoying all that this country has to offer. We don't think we'll ever get bored here. We have 6 more months to explore. So if you're excited to see more of our Thailand adventures, please give the video a thumbs up, and please hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you can get all of our new episodes of Stranded in Thailand. Also, please leave us a comment below letting us know how you're making lemonade out of the lemons 2020 has given us. We're interested in connecting with our old friends and our new friends, so we look forward to reading all your comments below there. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sharing and helping the channel to grow. We really appreciate the support. And take care till next time. Bye, guys.